Hello viewers, welcome to IP service, learn IT tips and troubleshooting. Today I am showing how to set up company mail on Microsoft Outlook. Then open, do you want to set up Outlook and email? Then next, then manual setup or additional server types. Next, then select POP3 or IMAP. Select the next, your name, whatever you want, then suppose Rafik, then email address Rafik at your company domain, example bsrsglobal.com. Server information, account type, here two types, and POP3 and IMAP. Here I go POP3, and then put on incoming mail server bsrsglobal.com, then outgoing mail server, that's an SMTP bsrsglobal.com. Login information, username that means mail address, then even password. First of all, again two types, here a new Outlook data file or existing data file. If you have existing data file, then browse and select then data file, and here I am going a new mail address, then a new Outlook data file, select, then add more setting, going to outgoing server, then click on my Outlook server SMTP record and authentication, then next advanced, click incoming mail server port number 995, then outgoing SMTP 465, and select SSL. Here the information, how many days your mail keep in your server, and select and increase or decrease, and then I select 14 days, then okay, then next. Here I test account setting, then complete. Close, then next. Process complete, then close, then finish. Now we are look after your email company email setup is complete. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone.